Hey folks, Chef Kazi here, and let me show you how to make the vegetarian or 100% vegan dish. Okay, very simple. I make only one dish and I'm going to show you how to do that. Follow me. Folks, what I did here, I put some oil, regular oil, okay, canola oil, sunflower seed, sunflower oil, whatever. And then I had a black seed, cumin, and fenugreek. What else I did? That's it so far. Mustard seed, garlic, ginger, and sliced onions. I'm just sweating it. Okay? Okay. So you see that pot there? I'm going to put all the vegetables what I have in the fridge today. Okay, so hard one, for example, potato and carrots take time to cook. Let's put it first, and followed by what I have. I can go slowly, one step at a time, sir. Get the pot. How many of you knows this one? Edo. In Indian subcontinental, we call arbi. And my native language, Bengali, we call kochu. So this Brussels sprout tastes like a cabbage. Look, this will be Indian dish, okay? But if you don't like Indian spices, don't use it. Use just tomato, fresh tomato. Put some rosemary and oregano. Okay, I'm going to use this cabbage, some of this, some okra, one eggplant. I cover this thing with the water. Cabbage, green cabbage. Pumpkin, more pumpkin and egg. Look at these bad boys. Look like I have to change the pot. Nah, it's okay. red lentil. So this is really vegetarian and vegan 100%. Okay. You might wonder, I should have a fancy pot, fancy porridge spoon. Man, these are everyday kitchen, okay? This is tomato paste. Oh, by the way, I already put the salt and black pepper. I cook today that vegan dish because tomorrow I have no time. Tomorrow morning I have to be in the soup kitchen. I have a soup kitchen tomorrow for homeless and needy people. Month of October and November, we didn't get a space to make soup kitchen. I do the soup kitchen in one of the church. They give us their kitchen to use it, but October and November there was busy with their event, and we do the soup kitchen every Saturday, third Saturday of the month, so we don't get it. And when we get this Saturday, that's means tomorrow, I don't want to lose that opportunity, you know. I'm going for it. So anyway, when this veg is done, I can show you guys. Until then, so I start with only one vegan dish, and look what I end up with. Yesterday I cooked some stuffed chicken with a mushroom sauce. I modified that one as a butter chicken today, and some plain rice, boiled rice. Okay, so that's all. So this dish is done. Okay, look at this, beautiful, isn't it? This is good with rice, good with chapati roti or whatever.